kasapi ng tribong taga-Kauli. 10 taon nang mag-isang tinataguyod ang kanyang 6 na anak matapos silang maghiwalay ng kanyang asawa. Siya ang naging ama at ina sa gitna ng hirap at dilim.
Ako si Alfredo Sarito, nagpuyog diri sa barangay Panangin, Malungon sa Sarangani Province, na usa ko pa mag-uuma. Diri sa barangay Panangin, 7 times na ako nakapuyog diri. Unang pagbuk akong bata, ibiyan ko sa akong asawa, ako'y nagasuporta sa akong anak. Bisag ang akong asawa, ibiyaan ko niya. Kanunay na pagsuporta na akong mga bata, di pa eskwela. Naanay na pag-graduate, karunang tuiga, senior high school. Sa isa buntag, ang akong wala doon ako rin mama, ako rin papa. Ako'y ininit ka tubig, ipainom sa mga bata sa pagkaon, tinatiman, pagsuot, basta sa pag-eskwela, o sa ilang material mga gamit.
Sa isa sa pinakamalayong bahagi ng munisipyo ng Malungon, doon niya itinaguyod ang kanyang pamilya. 50 taon niyang hinintay ang liwanag na matagal nang pinagdasal. Mula sa poblasyon ng Malungon, tatahakin ng 13 kilometro bago marating ang kanilang puro. Ngunit para sa pangarap, walang distansyang hindi kayang magpasan.
Salamat.
At noong ika-4 ng Disyembre, ang matagal na paghihintay ay natupad. Dumating ang liwanag. Sa pamamagitan ng line extension project sa ilalim ng Reinvestment Fund at House Wiring Materials Loan Program ng Socoteco 2, naihatid ang kuryente sa kanilang tahanan. Ang mga materyales at labor ay ibinigay at unti-unting babayaran sa loob ng 1 taon, kasabay ng kanilang buwanang konsumo. Hindi lang siya ang nabigyan ng buwanan, kundi 84 na benepisyaryo na sabay-sabay din nagkaroon ng bagong pag-asa.
Kami ato nagpuyog namin na wala gitnit, pagkala wala may kwarta. Kami nagpipaybaruan mo, tigikan sa Santico nga na-ay pre nga andang nga promo na kami walang git problema. Ako kaya kalalian sa itong una, kaysa una na mga wala pa may suba, ang among suba sa lang kaalalipot, tungod sa kaningit. Karon nga naanay suba, takulig ng pasalamat, nga hayag na Diyo, uban ka damlag sa among mga bata. Gikan sa wala may kuryente, pag matala mo, dito may sa umaser, nanguma, langita may maayon pang inabuhi para sa mga bata na. Ang among tanong sa piling saging, lubi, o baboy ito itong inabuhi sa mga bata. Ay pasalamat mo sa Socoteco, magitagaan ni o promo, kami nag-abis yun ni, tungod sa walang yun ni.
Sa wakas, ang mga anak ay nakakapag-aral na ng maayos. Hindi na sa dilim, kundi sa liwanag ng pangarap. Ang komunidad ay naging mas ligtas, mas masaya, at mas buhay. Ang liwanag ay hindi lang kuryente. Ito ay pag-ibig na umaabot kahit sa pinakamalayong tahanan. Sa bawat ilaw na sinindihan, may buhay na nabago, may pamilyang muling bumangon, at may pangarap na muling nabuhay. Dahil ang tunay na liwanag ay hindi lang nakikita, ito ay nararamdaman. Ito ang tunay na kwento ng pag-ibig sa liwanag. Para sa iba, ang ilaw ay karaniwan na lang. Isang pindot.
Alright, so sa video, no, it reflects that in Socoteco 2, service is not just a responsibility, it is our mission. A mission to bring not just light, but hope to every member consumer owners. And as we continue to reflect on our cooperative's journey, our shared aspirations, and our unwavering commitment commitment to serving our member consumer owners, let us also remember that every connection we energize brings with it hope, opportunity, and a brighter future for the communities we serve. With that, we now proceed to the ceremonial switch on, which is a symbolic expression of our cooperative's enduring commitment to energizing lives and empowering communities. May I respectfully invite our RF beneficiary in Barangay Panamin, Malungon, Mr. Alfredo Salinto, together with his family, and also Attorney Ivan Darwin G. Zamora, Dr. Americo V. Escobilio, and our Executive Officer, Mr. Noli B. Alamilio, together with our Socoteco 2 Board of Directors, to please proceed to the ceremonial switch-on area. Ladies and gentlemen, may we now invite everyone to join us as we count down to the ceremonial switch-on. Together, in 3, 2, 1! Isang masigabong palakpakan po para sa isang makahulugan na seremonya. May this ceremonial switch-on continue to inspire hope, progress, and brighter opportunities for the communities we proudly serve. Maraming salamat din po sa ating RF beneficiary at sa kanyang pamilya na nagbigay talaga ng oras at pumunta dito sa ating 43rd AMMA para sa ating ceremonial switch-on. Also, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our former BOD President and GSC District Director, Mr. Merfelio Waitan. Magandang umaga po at maraming salamat sa pagpapaunlak sa aming imbitasyon para sa 43rd AMMA. Also, we would like to acknowledge the former Board of Directors for Malungon, Ms. Evelyn Villarreal, magandang umaga po, and Mr. Mark Hanson Villarreal, magandang umaga po. Maraming salamat po sa pagdalo.
We would also like to recognize the presence of Professor Roaldo Wally Del Mundo from National Electrification Administration. Maraming salamat po sa pagdalo, Prof. Wally.
Also, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our external auditor, Mr. Lopil Laranjo Batos, CPA. Maraming salamat po. And now, kamustahin po natin ang ating mga MCOs from other hubs. Mauna po tayo sa ating Kiamba at mahal sa James L. Chongbian National Trade School. Magandang umaga po. Meron po ba tayong representative from Kiambaab na gusto magsalita at makamusta po sa ating mga kasamahan from other house?
We would like to call on the attention of Ma'am IC, our program head assigned at Yamba, or James L. Chongbian National Trade School. Ma'am IC, meron po ba tayong MCO or MCOs that would like to present their message or give their message for this 43rd Annual General Membership Assembly?
Naririnig po ba kami sa Kiamba? Kaway-kaway po sa ating mga MCOs. Ayan, naririnig po tayo. Okay, let's proceed sa ating other half from Lunmasla, Barangay Gymnasium. Magandang umaga po sa ating mga MCOs dyan from Alabel, Malapatan and Glan. Ma'am Harley. Ma'am Har, hindi kayo naririnig? Ayan, pero maraming salamat po sa ating mga MCOs for Malapatan Hub. And of course, ang ating mga MCOs from GSC 2 and Malungon District sa HTC, Purok Malakas Campus. Magandang umaga, Ma'am Jean.
Ayan, nandiyan po makikita natin ang ating mga MCOs from the Holy Trinity College, Purok Malakas Campus. Maaari po ba namin kayo makita kumaway sa screen po?
Ayan, tumakaway sila, Ma'am Kim. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat at maraming salamat po sa pagdala sa ating 43rd Annual General Membership Assembly.
First, we would also like to acknowledge the presence of Attorney Joy Mariano from Astro Energy, a partner of Soho Teco 2. Welcome po sa ating 43rd AGMA celebration po. Once again, we will be hearing solidarity messages later po sa ating mga very important officials who will be attending our 43rd Annual General Membership Assembly. But as of now, we would like to remind our MCOs once again that ating mga CRs, ating mga comfort rooms are accessible dito po sa left and right stage of our venue. Also, we have port pallets po dun sa likod ng ating powerhouse. And also, the Socoteco 2 canteen is open for those who would like to buy their merienda or their drinks po. Also, our exit, yung doon sa mga MCOs na gusto munang lumabas sandali sa premises ni Socoteco 2, andun po sa left side ng ating administration building ang ating exit. Iwasan po natin ulit, iwasan po natin na bumalik doon sa entrance para hindi po magkagulo-gulo yung flow ng ating attendees.
Alright, naka-register na ba ang lahat? Because you know why? Sisimulan po natin ang raffle draw ng ating mga minor prizes. So sa ating mga MCOs na pumipila pa dyan sa registration, register na po tayo. And before we proceed sa ating raffle draw, let's turn our attention to the screen for our raffle draw mechanics.
AGMA 2026 Raffle Prizes Mechanics. Participants must be officially registered in the Socoteco 2 AGMA registration database. Winners must be registered member consumer owners of Socoteco 2 from the specified district. A participant may win only once. If a participant's name is drawn more than once, the second draw shall be forfeited and another winner shall be drawn. The raffle draw shall be conducted electronically. No on-site manual raffle draw will be conducted. Winners must present one valid ID upon claiming their prize. Claiming through a proxy is strictly prohibited. If, upon verification, the winner is found to be deceased, only the surviving spouse may claim the prize upon presentation of a valid marriage certificate. Children of the deceased member are not allowed to claim the prize. Members of the Board of Directors, regular employees of Socoteco 2, and their spouses are not qualified to participate in the raffle draw. For non-residential and juridical accounts, the owner or authorized representative must present proof of identity or ownership, such as DTI registration, business permit, or any equivalent document issued by the appropriate government agency as applicable. Please note, all winners will be announced through the official Socoteco 2 Facebook page and/or posted on the bulletin boards of the Socoteco 2 main office and sub-offices. Prizes may be claimed at the respective main office or sub-office of the winners, except for the motorcycle, which must be claimed at Viajero National Highway in the presence of Finance Department personnel. No prizes will be distributed during the event. Claiming of prizes shall follow the schedule set by Socoteco 2. Any prize that remains unclaimed within 30 days from the announcement of winners shall be considered forfeited in favor of Socoteco 2. Ang lahat ng kalahok ay dapat opisyal na nakarehistro sa Socoteco 2 AGMA Registration Database. Ang mga mananalo ay dapat rehistradong member consumer owner ng Socoteco 2 mula sa nakatalagang distrito. Isang beses lamang maaaring manalo ang bawat kalahok. Kung sakaling mabunot muli ang parehong pangalan, ang ikalawang pagkakabunot ay hindi napapayagan at bubunot ng panibagong winner. Ang raffle draw ay isasagawa electronically. Wala ng raffle na bubunutin ng personal sa venue. Ang mga mananalo ay kailangan magpakita ng anumang valid ID sa pag-claim ng kanilang premyo. Hindi pinapayagan ang proxy o ibang taong kukuha ng premyo para sa nanalo. Kung mapapatunayan pumanaw na ang nanalong miyembro, maaaring i-claim ng kanyang asawa ang premyo basta't magpakita ng marriage certificate. Hindi maaaring mag-claim ng mga anak na namatay ng miyembro. Ang mga board of directors, mga regular na empleyado ng Socoteco 2 at ang kanilang mga asawa ay hindi maaaring sumali sa raffle draw. Para sa mga non-residential at juridical accounts, ang may-ari o otorisadong kinatawan ay kailangan magpakita ng patunay ng pagkakakilanlan o pagmamay-ari tulad ng DTI registration, business permit, o iba pang dokumentong ibinibigay ng kautulang ahensya ng gobyerno kung naaangkop. Mga paalala, ang lahat ng mananalo ay i-aanunsyo sa opisyal na Facebook page ng Socoteco 2 at ipapaskil sa bulletin board ng main office at mga sub-offices. Ang mga premyo ay maaaring i-claim sa kani-kanilang main office o sub-office maliban sa motorsiklo na kukunin sa Viajero National Highway kasama ang personnel mula sa Finance Department. Walang ipamamahaging premyo sa mismong araw ng event. Ang pag-claim ng mga premyo ay ayon sa itinakdang schedule ng Socoteco 2. Ang mga premyong hindi makukuha sa loob ng 30 araw ay ituturing na forfeited at mapupunta na sa Socoteco. Ang tanang mosalbot kinahanglan opisyal na narehistro sa listahan sa mga nitambong sa Socoteco 2 AGMA. Ang mahimong madaog kinahanglan rehistradong miyembro o tag-iya sa koneksyon sa Socoteco 2 gikan sa iyahang distrito. Usara ka beses mahimong madaog ang usa ka miyembro. Kung mabunot pag-usab ang iyahang ngalan, dili na kini apilon o mubunot og laing madaog. Ang pagpili sa mga madaog himuon pinaagi sa computer. Wala na'y bunutan na himuon sa venue. Ang mga nadaog kinahanglan magpakita og valid ID sa pagkuha sa ilahang premyo. Dili pwede ang laing na tao nga mokuha para kanila. Kung ang madaog kay banaw na, ang iyahang bana o asawa mao'y mahimong mokuha sa premyo basta makapakita og marriage certificate. dili pwede ang mga anak ang mukuha sa premyo. Ang mga board of directors, mga regular na empleyado sa Socoteco 2, ug ang ilang mga bana o asawa, dili mahimong musalmot sa raffle. Alang sa mga koneksyon sa negosyo o organisasyon, ang tag-iya o otorisadong representante kinahanglan magpakita o pamatuod sa pagpanag-iya o pagkaila sama sa DTI registration, business permit, o ubang dokumento nga i-issue sa gobyerno. Mga pahinumdum. Ang tanang nagaog ipahibalo pinaagi sa opisyal na Facebook page sa Socoteco 2 o ipaskil usab sa bulletin board sa main office o mga sub-offices. Ang mga premyo mahimong kuhaon sa ilang tagsa-tagsang main office o sub-offices gawa sa motorsiklo nga kuhaon sa Viajero National Highway uban sa personnel sa Finance Department. Walay ipanghatag na premyo karong adlaw. Ang pagkuha sa premyo himuon sa gitakdang petsa. Ang mga premyo nga dili makuha sunod sa 30 ka adlaw, mahimong mawala ang katungod sa pag-angkon o mapabilin sa Socoteco.
Alright, so narinig na natin lahat ng ating raffle prizes mechanics, no? So once again, our MCOs, you will be reminded of our major and minor prizes. So first, for our minor prizes, we will be giving out 72 cell phones, 36 air fryers, 36 microwaves, 36 stand fans. And for our major prizes, we have 12 motorcycles, 12 refrigerators, 12 televisions, and 12 washing machines. Palakpakan po natin! Oh, excited na mga MCOs natin na may mananalo. So, without further ado, we will be starting with our minor prizes. So, diba? Alam ko, may mga MCOs dyan na magsasabi na, ay, punta, nilig sa ako madaog sa minor, kay major akong naugan. Pero lahat tayo, kapag nanalo sa prizes, are swerte at tayo ay blessed. So, magpapasalamat pa rin tayo no matter kung sa atong nadaugan. So, I think I would like to request our ID team for the drawing of lots. For our first batch ng ating raffle draw, we will be giving out 36 air fryers and 36 stand fan. Alright. For the information of everyone, we have 3 winners per district for our stand fan and air fryer. Kaya meron po tayo a total of 36 units na ibibigay. So again, 3 units per area or per district. So wala pa daw. Hindi mo na ma-excite. Pero alam ko, everyone are now awaiting na matawag ang kanilang mga pangalan. Basta nakapag-register kayo. Nakapag-register naman po ba ang lahat? Yun, diba? O, pag raffle prizes, ang lakas ng yes natin. O, sige lang, lahat tayo ay panalo at kahit uuwi tayo walang naidala, being here and being part of our 43rd Annual General Membership Assembly is already a win. Tama po ba? O, diba? Naghina yung yes. Pero hindi, bitaw. Lahat tayo ay excited for the raffle draw prizes. Pero the raffle draw is not only one of the most awaited part of this program. So, sit back and relax lang muna tayo as we are still waiting for the setting up sa pag-draw. So again, electronically ang ating draw lots. And hindi po tayo kukuha kaagad ngayon. Pag nanalo kayo, baka masyado kayong ma-excite, may uwi niyo yung ating mga prizes na naka-display dito. Hindi pa po, you will be, kumbaga, the Socoteco 2 will be scheduling a day kung kailan kayo makakapag-claim ng inyong prizes. Basta kayo ay natawag, sure na napanalo kayo. No erase, kumbaga. So don't worry, kapag na-pick yung inyong name ngayon, then you will be certainly contacted by our finance personnel kung kailan ninyo makukuha ang inyong prize. And of course, ang pinaka-major sa lahat, kapag merong nanalo ng motorsiklo o motorcycle, sino gusto manalo ng motorcycle? Ayun, ang taas. O sa ating mga satellite house, marami bang gusto manalo ng ating motorcycle? May I request the IT personnel po to please flash on screen. Sa ating, from the Holy Trinity Purok Malakas Campus, sino gusto manalo ng mga major and minor prizes? Yun, tumaas na agad ang mga kamay. Sino gusto manalo ng motorsiklo sa inyo? Diba? Ang dami. We have a total of 12 motorcycles. Sino kayo yung 12 na maswerteng mananalo ng motorsiklo ito? Next, we have from our Lunmasla Satellite Hub. Sino gusto manalo ng major prizes? Ayun, nakataas ang mga kamay nila. Sino gusto manalo ng minor prizes? Bumaba ang mga kamay. Hindi. Dapat masaya pa rin kayo kapag nanalo kayo ng minor prizes. And also, we have from our third satellite hub in Barangay Clean Kiamba. Ayun. Sinong gustong manalo sa inyo ng minor prizes? Ng major prizes? Ayan, maraming sa atin ang mananalo ngayong araw na ito. Ako na mismo ang magsasabi na maraming manalo sa inyo. Ayun. Sige no, ating kamustahin isa-isa ang ating mga program committee. Kung kamustahin natin ang kanilang kumbagalagay sa bawat satellite hub. First, we have from the Kiamba Satellite Hub, Ma'am IC. Meron pong microphone available dyan po sa inyong sa program team po natin dyan. We would like to ask for an update. Update nyo naman kami, Ma'am IC, kung ano ang kalagayan dyan sa Kiamba. Ma'am Ice, pwede po ba kayo magpakita sa ating camera? Hindi po kayo nakikita sa screen. Ayan! Ayan si Ma'am Ice sa Raspe. Kamusta kayo dyan, Ma'am Ice? Medyo choppy na tayo, Ma'am Ice, no? I'm sure it's because of the excitement of our MCOs around there, kaya medyo malag ang ating connection. So next we have, sige move on na lang muna tayo with our Holy Trinity College, Purok Malakas Campus. Sir Julie Candole, andyan po ba kayo? Again, from Holy Trinity, Purok Malakas College. Ayan, Sir Julie, hello!
Yes po, yun po.
Kamusta kayo dyan, Sir Julie? Kamusta ang ating mga MCOs?
Medyo excited sila ngayon sa sinabi nyo kanina na kaway-kaway naman dyan, mga classmate crowd.
Ayan, o diba? Ayun, may pahirit pa sila. O, kamusta kayo dyan? Na para bang nasa Saudi Arabia sila? Okay, so Sir Jules,
Thank you po, Pangin.
yes po. Sir Jules, hoping na okay po sila. Okay po ang mga lagay nila. Hindi sila naiiyak. syempre, importante po ang ating mga MCOs kahit nasa ang parte sila ng ating franchise area, di ba, Sir Jules?
Yes po, Ma'am Kim. Yung iba nasa field pa po. Nag-claim po ng pagkain.
Ay, okay. Okay, sige, let us proceed to our next satellite hub in Lunmasla, Barangay Gym in Malapatan, Sarangani Province. We have Ma'am Harley. Ayun, nakikita ko na silang lahat. Ma'am Harley, pwede mo ba kaming may update? Ma'am Harley? Wala po kayong audio po, hindi po kayo marinig ng ating other participants from the other hubs po. Maybe we could ask for the assistance of our IT team. Kasi mukhang excited na rin po ang ating mga participants from the Lunmasla Barangay Gym. Kailangan marinig ninyo ang mga participants kasi mag-a-announce tayo ng raffle draw winners. Pag hindi daw naririnig, hindi daw pwede makaklaim pag nanalo. Joke lang, hindi. Alright, sige, babalikan na lang po natin ngayon. Later, si Ma'am Harley sa Lunmasla Barangay Gym, Malapatan, Sarangani Province, as they are still trying to solve the technical difficulties sa kanilang connection. Again, we are still awaiting our distinguished officials who will be giving their solidarity messages. We are honored today to have them as they will be gracing us with their presence later. So they are still on their way to our venue, and in a while we will be hearing their messages for all of us. So again, reminders lang po sa ating mga MCOs, ang ating canteen ay open for mga snacks and food or drinks na gusto ninyong mabili if kayo ay nagugutom. Okay. Ito na. We have on the screen. Excited na bang lahat? Ang mapapanaluhan natin sa raffle draw na ito ay stand fans. 36 stand fans and 3 winners per area. Okay? Okay, sa lahat po ng ating hubs dito sa ating 43rd AGMA, okay na po ba lahat ng raffle team natin from all our satellite hubs? Raffle Masters, ready na po ba tayong lahat mag-start ng ating raffle draw? Excited na po ang ating mga MCOs. Again, we will be having 3 winners of stand fans per district. Ayun! Pumulyo na ang roleta. Electronic roleta. Alright, okay. So, meron na palang continuous na nanalo, no? So, electronic na naman ang ating drawing of lots. So, as we speak right now, meron nang nananalo. So, ipopost ang mga pangalan ninyo sa ating Facebook page. So, after this AGMA, antay-antay lang po kayo. Ipopost po yung inyong mga pangalan sa ating Facebook page at na malaman ninyo kung nanalo kayo o hindi. O diba, medyo suspense. Akala nyo malalaman nyo ngayon, hindi pa pala. Para ano tayo, para meron tayong pag-asa na manalo ang lahat. Malay ninyo pagkatapos ng AGMA, lahat pala tayo panalo, lahat pala tayo nakalist. As of now, drawing yung lots natin for, again, 36 na stand fan, 3 winners per area.
We would also like to acknowledge the presence of our DTI representative joining us today to monitor our raffle draw. Magandang umaga po kay Ms. Elaika Maris Agad. Maraming salamat po sa pagpapaunlak na aming imbitasyon para sa 43rd Annual General Membership Assembly.
So at this juncture, I will be giving the floor to our board president, the board president representing Alabel District, Director Elenito C. Senate, for our business proper.
Good morning. At this juncture, we would like to call the 43rd Annual General Membership Assembly to call to order. May I request our secretary to determine the quorum.
Good morning, everyone. Determination of quorum. Please be informed that pursuant to Article 2, Section 4 of Socoteco 2 Constitution and Bylaws, quorum of cooperatives with more than 1,000 members is 5,000 of the total membership or 100 members, whichever is lesser. For this assembly, there is a need to comply at least 13,748 registered members out of 274,958 total membership as of December 2025. Further, in compliance to the National Electrification Administration's Institutional Advisory Number 2, Series of 2024, this assembly must have at least 17,025 registered member consumer owners. After the manual and online pre-registration, NCOs confirm their attendance through their physical, online, ongoing, and walk-in registration is still being accepted until 12 noon. Mr. President, please be informed that as of 10 o'clock in the morning of July 25, 2026, there is a total of 14,633 registered member consumer owners, thereby meeting the minimum requirement. The Assembly is therefore in quorum and may proceed to transact business.
Having mustered the required numbers of attendees for this annual General Membership Assembly, let's proceed with the conduct of the meeting for today. Let us determine whether the proof of publications as to the notice of the Assembly.
Yes.
Madam Secretary.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Notice of meeting and proof of public announcement. In compliance to our cooperative constitution and bylaws provision, please be informed that the 43rd Annual General Membership Assembly was announced bearing the purpose date, and hour through the following means of information dissemination. May I direct everyone's attention to the video presentation.
In compliance to our cooperative constitution and bylaws provision, please be informed that the 43rd Annual General Membership Assembly was announced bearing the purpose, date, and hour through the following means of information dissemination. Letters of information were given beginning July 15, 2026 to the 10 offices of municipality and city mayors within the Socoteco franchise areas and to the offices of the provincial governors of South Cotabato and Sarangani provinces. Letters of information and tarpaulin posters were given beginning July 15, 2026 to the 206 offices of punong barangays within the Socoteco franchise areas. Tarpaulin streamers were posted at all Socoteco main and sub-offices beginning July 15, 2026 to present. Social media posts were released at Socoteco 2's official Facebook page, socoteco2.ec, with 166,000 followers, and at Socoteco 2's official website, socoteco2.com, since July 15, 2026 to present. Manual ACMA registration forms with a total of 50,000 copies were distributed at Socoteco 2 main office, sub-offices, and solar PV beneficiaries since May 30, 2026 to July 20, 2026. Text message invitation to 61,000 registered numbers in Socoteco 2 billing updates and ACMA databases. Radio, TV, and newsprint announcement through the following channels. Radio stations: Brigada News FM, Radio Mindanao Network, Aliw Broadcasting Corporation or Home Radio, GMA Network Incorporated, Bombo Radio, Radio Audience Developers Integrated Organization, Tri-Media Association, XFM 95.9 General Santa City, VR Media Communications Incorporated. News publication: Katribo Newspaper, Southern Review Publication, Sapol News Bulletin, Sargent News, and Pahayagan World Inquirer. Also, the 43rd Annual General Membership Assembly is now being broadcasted through Facebook Live at Socoteco 2 official Facebook page, socoteco2.ec.
Okay, having mastered the required number of attendees for this General Assembly, and having complied with the posting and publications necessary for its information dissemination, we will now proceed with the reading of the previous minutes.
Yes, Mr. President. So the minutes of the 42nd Annual General Membership Assembly of South Cotabato 2 Electric Cooperative Incorporated, Socoteco 2, held at the Solidarity Gym, Barangay Apupong, General Santos City on July 26, 2025 at 10:53 in the morning. Board of Directors present. Director Anisito G. Bacolna Jr., President and Presiding Officer, Pulong-Ulok District. Director Patrick Isya, Vice President, Blan District. Yours truly, the Secretary, General Santos City 1 District. Director Lini Is Alferez, Treasurer, General Santos City 3 District. Director May Mendoza, Member, Kiamba, Maitong District. Director Musa Inma, Member, Director of Malapatan District. Director Peter Jason A. Agsaron, Member, General Santos City 2 District. Director Elinito C. Sinit, Member, Alabel District. Director Ben B. Advincula, Member, Tupi District. Director Evelyn Villarreal, Member, Malongon District. Mr. Geronimo D. Disisto, ex officio member, general manager.
Excuse me. What's the pleasure of the gentleman? Can we give him the microphone?
Mr. Chair, Ryan Roquito Malonis from Barangay Tinagakan. I vote for the dispensation of the reading of the 42nd previous AGMA minutes.
There is a motion.
Second motion.
Julius seconded. Any
No,
objection?
Mr. Chair. Mr.
Yes.
Chair, may I be recognized, Mr. Chair?
Where are you?
Here, Mr. Chair, on your right side.
Right side.
Right side, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Yes.
Mr. Villesa, Mr. Chair, pursuant to Socoteco 2 Articles of Incorporation and Bylaws, Section 5, right of the members, every bona fide member shall have the following rights. A, to vote.
Excuse me.
B, to hold elective office.
Excuse
Mr.
me.
Chair, this is just a manifestation, Mr. Chair.
Is that an objection? Is that an objection to the
Yes,
motion?
Mr. Chair, this is just a manifestation as before the second demotion for the reading of the 42nd.
Yes.
Yes, Mr.
There
Chair.
was a motion, Julius seconded. Is that an objection?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So if there's an objection, so let's divide the house.
Mr. Chair,
Eh,
may I appeal, Mr. Chair, just to be specific before you divide the house, may I explain my objection? May I explain, Mr. Chair, prior to the division of the house so that I will be able to inform them nga anong mo-object ko. Ipasabot sa nako nga anong mo-object ko before mo mag-vote to divide the house. Based on our 42nd minutes, Mr. Chair, number 26, page 26 of our annual General Membership Assembly Report, duly certified,
Yes, yes. You can note this up in business arising from the reading of the previous minutes.
Yes, Mr. Chair, before we approve
Unless otherwise, you have corrections or omissions omitted from the minutes.
Yes, Mr. Chair, may I second?
What particular provisions in the minutes that you want to include? Or you want them to correct them?
Base, Mr. Chair,
Is that a correction? Because
yes, sir. Yes, Mr. Chair, patapusin mo na ako. Based po dito sa page 26, last paragraph. Babasahin ko po, basahon na po. Based on the financial analysis conducted by Socoteco 2 CAPEX working team, it was found out that additional 0.0179 pesos per kilowatt hour is needed. If approved by the ERC, the new reinvestment fund for sustainable capital expenditure rate will be 0.1697 pesos per kilowatt hour.
then what is the correction? Then what is the correction?
The correction, Mr. Chair, is that we cannot dispense these minutes without the board and management explaining before us before we proceed with the approval of our new agenda.
You can brought us up during the open forum.
Mr.
This-
Chair,
this
I
is-
am...
This is arising from the reading of the previous minutes.
Yes, Mr.
We
Chair.
are still in the consideration of the minutes of the previous session.
Mr. Chair, let me
Okay.
give you the... Nakalagay, Mr. Chair. Reading, correction, adoption of 42nd minutes of annual General Membership Assembly. If I am not going to raise this at the earliest opportunity, Mr. Chair, most likely I will not be given the opportunity to raise it in the open forum.
We are still in the consideration
Excuse me,
correction.
Chair.
Yes.
The move is only for the previous meeting, not for the adoption. We are only in the previous meeting to move it, not to present it today.
Mr. Chair, how can you move forward if you are not going to address the 42nd minutes of the annual General Membership Assembly?
The business arising from the reading of the previous minutes.
For that,
That
for that,
will be
Mr. Chair,
followed now after the adoption.
for that, Mr. Chair, I
Sir, the
will
move
put on
is the
record.
Okay.
suspension of the reading of the 42nd ACMA. The previous meeting is gimove lang. We are not talking about the
Yes, precisely. So there is an objection. You want to object?
Mr. Chair,
Okay.
I will register my comment and manifestation before the annual General Membership
Then,
Assembly.
okay, we'll take it. Record it. Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So, do you want to divide the house?
Mr. Chair, as to the division of the House, we are not here yet, Mr. Chair. We are about to approve our agenda for 2026.
Precisely, that's the point. Okay. So, you are not objecting to the motion duly seconded to adopt the minutes of the previous meeting. Dispense the reading.
Let me clarify, Mr. Chair. My objection is to the specific 42nd Annual General Members.
That will be taken up in the business arising, okay?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Just put it on the record, Mr. Chair, my objection.
Okay. Noted. So, no more? So, there's a motion, duly seconded. Any objection? None? So, the minutes of the previous AGMA, 42nd AGMA is now adopted as read. Okay. Let's proceed with the business arising. So, there you go. But if I may suggest, we will take for spontaneous deliberations para dili ta madugay, we will take the business arising during the open forum. Are you amenable to that? Are you amenable to that? The business arising will be taken up during the open forum. Are you amenable to that? Any motion that it shall be taken during the open forum? Or we shall proceed with the business arising from the reading of the previous minutes.
Mr.
I think our guest speaker is really around, so we might as well declare a recess for the business arising and yes, for a recess and have our guest of honor deliver his message for today's act.
Mr. Chair, just a manifestation from the co-MCOs. Discussion on the business arising to the open forum and to the approval may be conducted, Mr. Chair, in Bisaya or Ilonggo or local dialect so that everybody will understand. Okay lang mo? Sige. Bisaya ko na to para makasabot ang tanan.
Okay, my apology. Pwede kang Bisaya.
Yes, Mr. Chair, and for the record, gusto na ko ipasabot ninyo punta dili ni ang last natong agma o nang dapat masabtan sa tatutanan before ta mo desisyon. Ha? Bisaya ko na to para masabtan na tanan. Salamat.
Okay, again. Nag-recess pa ta para sa ato ang guest speaker. Okay, that's that for 5 minutes. Recess. 5 minutes. Okay.
Isa may nag-assist sa microphone kayo nakasuko sila kay microphone di grita sa isang tao ulitin nyo diri microphone o na mo kasi ang moderator asa man ay di pasang-pasang mahadlok na yung microphone na eh kapoy magulit ani
We would like to acknowledge the presence of our former Senator Emmanuel Manny D. Pacquiao. Welcome, sir, to our 43rd annual Palakpakan po natin ulit si sir. We will now be having our 5-minute break, our session break for our program. We will be right back shortly.
Ayaw ka ng bike.